Good afternoon, everybody. So I just wanted to provide a quick update. So the ADROP spring retreat just happened a couple of weeks ago. And what's nice to see is that there's a lot of thematic overlap with what we heard from the ARO group about what they've been working on. So there were three main topics that were discussed in the retreat. One dealing with holistic review of applicants to our specialty and how to ensure that we are recruiting and retaining a diverse workforce. Dr. Iris Gibbs gave us a really wonderful talk on that. And there's going to be a lot of collaboration between ARO and ADROP and HEDI to try to develop some guidelines for holistic review. So please be on the lookout for that. And certainly if you have programs that you're interested in learning more about holistic review and what we're going to lay out for residency programs for the upcoming year, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to share that information as well. In addition to the discussion of holistic review, we also talked quite a bit about the family leave policy that was initiated by the ADR. And I think overall program directors are very supportive of this, but it does leave a lot of questions in our hands about how to manage family leave. And so again, as questions come up, please feel free to reach out to me or to others in ADROP. But I think that overall, program directors are really looking for ways to ensure that our residents can enjoy family leave and not feel like they have to make time up when they come back or curtail any aspect of their education that's meaningful. And then finally, we spent a lot of time talking about the new program requirements. So as a trainee, you may be aware of what some of these new program requirements are, and they specialize or at least dictate very specialized requirements for different disease sites and different disease site organs. And so we spent a lot of time talking about how to ensure that our residents get a diverse exposure to these kinds of cases and that they can satisfy these particular requirements. And again, it seems like most programs have found ways to be able to accomplish this, though the unique needs of a program might change depending on the kinds of patients that they see and the environment in which you're practicing. So again, if there are questions or concerns about this, ADROP is happy to help and try to find solutions. But that's what we were spending most of our time on. So overall, I think we're moving in a direction that's really trying to value education, make sure that people get a diverse set of experiences during their training, and also aren't sacrificing in terms of family leave and quality of life, and trying to move the needle a bit in terms of ensuring that future workforce is more diverse and reflects the needs of our patients. All right, I'll turn it back over to Steve and the rest of the talks.